no? Naun sa tong patient, they are unresponsive. No, di na ako mapukaw. Okay? And we ask for an AED, and we ask them to get back to us when they're done calling. Okay? So after that, no, once we're done checking for responsiveness, calling for help, we check for ABCs. No, atong buhaton is atong head tilt chin lift ng ulo ni patient, check inside kung na obstruction, clear it if naa. Then after that, check for breathing, look down the chest ni patient, no? Then count out 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 8, 2009, 2010. Okay, at the same time, we can check for the pulse sa atong carotid artery as well. After that, if we determine there is no pulse, no breathing, next we do is CPR. So begin full CPR diretso. Uptick dapat. And then start doing compressions. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Until maabot mo sa inyong 30:2. Pero, no, if dili mo, walang may equipment, for example, walang may barrier device, no? Walang may magamit pang ventilate ni patient, one thing you can do is kato, compressions only. 120 straight compressions. Okay? If na may barrier device or if naamoy kanang BVM, no? This is called the BVM or the okay? So the BVM, no, you can use that to ventilate your patient. If you do not have a BVM, you can use the mask part only. Yeah, breathe into the mask itself. Okay? Now the mask. Okay. So ang now sa CPR mask kay ingana. As well ang face ni patient. Okay, so we place this. Moni ang atong apex, moni ang base. Okay, we place this on the patient. Ang apex sa nose ni patient, ang base na to above the chin. Okay, ato i-press down, make sure firm ang iyang seal, no? Keep the head elevated, then breathe into the mouthpiece. Okay? Ano siyang purpose niya? To provide ventilations without bringing yourself into contact with the patient's base. Okay? If namoy salig sa patient, no, wala siya anything communicable, no, na diseases.